Hi, welcome to Cocina de Marites. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's make a mango bravo. In the food processor, we need 1 cup of cashew nuts and grind coarsely. And set this aside, the half of it, and then for the filling and garnish. That's it. And now crack 10 fresh eggs and separate the yolk and the egg white. By using hand mixer, beat the egg whites until frothy and add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar and white sugar gradually. In real time, I whip the egg in 10 minutes. But for the video purposing, I make it pass and pass forward. And don't forget to subscribe if you find this video so interesting, and click the thumbs up and so that click the bell button for you to be notified for my next video. I tell you honestly, I failed in making this mango bravo, and now I realize why is this mango bravo is expensive. It's time consuming, gas consuming, critical, and delicate to make. And this is my first time to try. I just want to taste it and make it. Let's make a cashew meringue. Add the grind cashew, fold them in, and gently fold them in, and make sure not to deflate the air. I will be honest with you, I make this not perfectly, but the taste is really good. This is me. I always take the risk and try new things. And another tip when making this, you must use 8 by 3 inches round pan to achieve the perfect shape of Conti's Bravo mango cake. But since this is my first time and I don't have the same size, I use the pie plate or the pie dish. That's why I failed to achieve the shape. And I think my hand mixer becomes overheat. That's why I failed also in making the whipping cream. I didn't stabilize it because I didn't use the gelatin. That's why I made a sponge cake for the bottom layer and spread with 1 inch thick of choco mousse. I will just put down in the description box all the ingredients in making choco mousse. It's easy, and the stabilized whipped cream. And as you can see, I failed in making the meringue. I toasted on the side but the taste is really good. And another tip when serving this is you must chill this overnight to achieve the perfect taste. And now, by spreading the choco mousse all sides, spread this choco mousse in 1-inch thick. And the second layer, I put the cashew meringue and the whipped cream and top with cubes of fresh mango, ripe mango. Then the remaining mangoes will be on top. And don't forget again to subscribe and give a thumbs up and click the bell button for you to be notified for my next video. I'm just telling this with all honesty. I failed, but I never give up because the taste is really good. With all honesty, ang sarap niya. The second day would be the tasting time. And this is it. I spread all the choco mousse, all the sides, and top with whipping cream and dip with melted chocolate and the fresh mango. This is not, the picture is not yet chilled. On the second day, it is burst, serve, and taste it with overnight chilled. That's why they call it frozen mango bravo. Try this and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.